Good morning, students. Myself Abhishek Sharma from Mount Litera Z School, Jhansi. As you know that today we have completed chapter 5 of class economics, that is money. So today I have decided to go for its revision, and I will be giving you some home assignment. For this I have prepared 14 questions which you will see on screen, and we will discuss them also. So my first question is, what is money? In this question you have to write about the definition and some explanation regarding money. Second question is, what is plastic money? And third question is, you have to write some basic functions of money, that money is as a medium of exchange, money as a store of value, money as a standard of value, and lots more. Fourth question is, you have to explain barter exchange system, which is also known as CC, commodity exchange. My fifth question is, you have to write down the certain drawbacks of barter exchange system, like lack of standard of measure of value, problem in deferred payments, problems in installments, problem in store of value. Sixth question is regarding forms of money. The first form is, what is fiat money? Question 7 is, what is fiduciary money? Question 8 is, what is full-bodied money? Question 9 is, what is credit money? Basically, these 4 questions are associated with forms of money. Now, question number 10 is, you have to give a definition and explanation for supply of money. What is supply of money and how is it important for an economy? Question number 11, as you are seeing on my screen, you have to write down a short note on the measurement of money supply. For this, I have already mentioned equation for M1, that is C plus DD plus OD. Basically, there are 4 approaches for money supply measurement, but now only in our syllabus we have to continue and focus with first approach, that is M1. M1 equals to C plus DD plus OD. So C means currency held by the public, and DD means demand deposits, and OD means other deposits. My next question is question number 12. Who supplies the money in the economy? Which means, who are the supplier of the money in the economy? It is Central Bank of India, that is RBI, Government of India, and commercial banks. Basically, these are the 3 institutions or agencies whose work is to supply the money in the economy. My next question is, what is DD and OD? As I have discussed earlier, demand deposit and other deposit. So basically, these are the values which are used in M1 approach regarding the measurement of money supply. DD refers to demand deposits of the people with commercial banks. These are the checkable deposits which can be withdrawn or transferred on demand. On other hand, OD means other deposit. Demand deposits with RBI of public financial institutions like NABARD, National Bank for Agricultural and Rural Development. Demand deposits with RBI of foreign central banks and of the foreign government. And demand deposits of international financial institutions like International Monetary Fund and World Bank. Especially with regard to OD, other deposits does not include deposits of the government of the country with RBI. The deposits of the government of country keeping it with RBI is not included in measures of money supply or other deposits. Second, deposits of the country's banking systems with RBI is not also included in this. And my last question is, what is bank money and high powered money? Bank money refers to the demand deposits of the people with commercial banks, whereas high powered money is the sum total of currency held by the people, wallet cash of the commercial banks, cash reserves of the commercial banks, with RBI. This is called monetary base or base money in the economy. So students, that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day. So students, that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.